Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canvas in Google Docs. If you want to add your own designs to your document in Google Docs, then this tutorial is for you. However, there is no built-in feature to use Canvas in Google Docs, but today I will show you a trick on how to use Canvas in Google Docs. So let's dive right in. First of all, go to the Google Apps and simply open the Canvas site just like this. Now choose one design that you want to change and simply edit it like this. After editing it, simply tap onto the share option right here. Now tap on to download, then again tap on to download, and now you can see your design is preparing and it will be saved on your gallery. Now again tap on to download. Then again tap on to download button and tap on to open with. Now tap on to share button and save image. Now your image will be saved to your gallery. Now open Google Docs. Tap on to the plus sign button. Now choose image and tap on to from photos. Now choose the design that you have just downloaded. Now here you can see the image has been added to your documents in Google Docs. And that's it. This is how you can use Canvas in Google Docs. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.